Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to latest exam current affairs. Today is 12 May 2020. 12 May 2020 current affairs important question. Discuss this video. Question 1. When was National Technology Day recently celebrated? Answer is 11 May. 11 May is observed as the National Technology Day. This day marks the anniversary of Pokhran nuclear test of 1998 and India's technological advancement in this space. On May 11, 1998, India successfully fired Operation Shakti missile at the Indian Army Pokhran test range in Rajasthan, the first among the live 5 nuclear tests in Pokhran. Next question is second. Recently, India Biotech and who will lead a project? Answer is CSIR. Bharat Biotech will be leading a project sanctioned by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research to develop human monoclonal antibodies and therapy for COVID-19. The project will be launched under CSIR's flagship program New Millennium India Technology Leadership Initiative. The project will focus on developing powerful antibodies that can neutralize the novel coronavirus. Next question is 3. Recently, who partnered with Domino's Pizza and Zomato? Answer is Tata Consumer Project. Tata Consumer Products TCPL has partnered with food delivery platforms like Domino's Pizza and Zomato. This has been done to strengthen its direct distribution model and ensure a steady supply of its essential products. On Domino's Pizza app, this service will be available under Domino's Essentials for consumers in Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad and Kolkata. Next question is 4. Recently, in which state Black Panther was seen for the first time? Answer is Goa. A black panther was spotted in Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary in South Goa. While the area is a known habitat of tiger, this is for the first time a black panther has been captured in camera Netravali Sanctuary. The Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary is home to coronavirus animals such as India Vision, leopards, antelopes, south bear, etc. Goa State Animal, Gaur State Bird, Yellow-throated Bulbul National Park, Bhagwan Mahavir National Park. Next question is 5th. Recently, who introduced Stand Up with Health Insurance Policy? Answer is SBI General Insurance. SBI General Insurance launched the Standard Health Insurance Policy, Arogya Sanjeevani Health Insurance Policy, SBI General Insurance. The policy provides hospitalization cover anywhere in India with sums insured ranging from Rs 1 lakh to 50 lakh. It will help in making affordable health care more accessible in times like these. Next question is 6. Recently, Bir Rana was appointed the Chief Electoral Officer of which state? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh government has appointed senior IAS officer Bir Rana as a Chief Electoral Officer of the state. He was earlier posted as Additional Chief Secretary of the Sports and Youth Welfare Department. The post of Chief Electoral Officer was lying vacant after V.L. Kanta Rao went on central deputation. Additional Chief Electoral Officer Arun Tomar was since holding change as CEO. Madhya Pradesh State Animal, Barasingha State Bird, Indian Paradise Flycatcher National Park, बांधवगढ़ नेशनल पार्क, फॉसन नेशनल पार्क, कान्हा नेशनल पार्क, माधव नेशनल पार्क, पन्ना नेशनल पार्क, प्रियदर्शनी नेशनल पार्क, संजय नेशनल पार्क, सतपुड़ा नेशनल पार्क। डैम्स, इंपॉर्टेंट डैम्स, बाणसागर डैम, सोन रिवर, भीमगढ़ डैम, बैनगंगा रिवर, गांधी सागर डैम, चंबल रिवर, इंदिरा सागर डैम, नर्मदा रिवर, ओमकारेश्वर डैम, नर्मदा रिवर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 7th. Recently, how much has the central government increased its market leading program for the current financial year? Answer is 58%. Answer is 58%. The central government has increased its market borrowing program for its current financial year by more than 50% to 58%, rate 12 lakh crore. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in budget 2020-21 has pegged the gross market borrowing in the current financial year at rate 7.80 lakh crore, up from rate 7.1 lakh crore in 2019-2020. Of the total, the government would raise 6.98 lakh crore from the dated securities in the first half of the central fiscal. This is 58% of the total borrowing target. Next question is 8. Recently, who developed an indigenous antibody passed ELISA test kit COVID armor? Answer is National Institute Virology, Pune. National Institute of Virology, Pune has developed first indigenous antibodies based ELISA test kit COVID Kavach for diagnosis of novel coronavirus. This test is expected to change the dynamic of COVID-19 testing in the country. The kit has displayed high sensitivity and accuracy in the validation test and different cells. It can test around 90 samples in approximately 2.5 hours. Next question is 9th. Recently, who developed automatic ultraviolet system? Answer is DRDO. Hyderabad based DRDO lab has developed automated ultraviolet system that sanitize electronic gadgets, papers and currency notes. The device Defense Research Ultraviolet Sanitizer DRUVS has been designed to sanitize mobile phone, iPad, laptop, currency notes, etc. Provides 360-degree exposure of ultraviolet to the object plate inside the cabinet. Next question is, recently when did India Railway announce to start passenger train service? Answer is 12 May. Answer is 12 May. India Railway has announced a gradual start of passenger train service 12 May 2020. Initially 15 pair of train will ply with passengers on board. These trains will be run as a special train from New Delhi station connecting Dibrugarh, Agartala, Howrah, Panna, Ranchi, etc. Booking for reservation will start 4 p.m. on 11 p.m. 2020 and will be available only on the IRCTC website. Next question is 11. Recently, which country decided to increase the value added VAT from 5% to 50%? Answer is Saudi Arab. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has decided to raise value added tax VAT from 5% to 50% starting from 1st July 2020. It has taken a decision to suspend cost of living allowance starting from 1st Pune 2020. The kingdom has also decided to cancel, extended or postpone some operational and capital expenditure from some government agency. Saudi Arabia, capital Riyadh, currency Saudi Riyal. Next question is 12. Recently, who was appointed the president of International Hockey Federation? Answer is Narendra Batra. Answer is Narendra Batra. Narendra Batra will remain president of the International Hockey Federation until May 2021. The terms of Batra and the executive board members were due to end in October 2020. The executive board of the International Hockey Federation has decided to postpone the 47th FIH Congress, initially planned on 28 October to 1 November 2020 in New Delhi, to May 21. Next question is 13. Recently, Shankar Vasudevan has passed away. Who was he? Answer is historian. Eminent historian Hari Shankar Vasudevan passed away in May 2020. Vasudevan has tested positive for novel coronavirus on May 6, 2020 after being admitted with high fever and breathing difficulties symptoms on what had other chronic ailment. Also, he was considered one of the foremost names in Russian and Central Asian history. Next question is 14. Recently, who announced that it will increase all gold membership by 4 months? Answer is Zomato. Answer is Zomato. Who announced that it will increase all gold membership by 4 months? Answer is Zomato. Zomato has announced that it will extend all gold membership by 4 more months. This covers India, UAE, Australia, New Zealand, Portugal, Philippines, Indonesia, Turkey and Lebanon. The company has also made its contactless dining free for all restaurants across India and other global destinations for a period of at least 6 months. Next question is 15. Recently, Government of India started a mission. Answer is Mission C. Answer is Mission C. Question 15. Next question, yesterday answer. Recently, in which state Sanjeevani vehicle was developed? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Tomorrow question, answer fill in the comment box. Recently become the first state of provide midday food ration. Answer comment box please.